Between the clever design of the product and the easy assembly plus setup, this solar light set will have your path lit in no time. Simply select from one of two heights, toggle to your color mode preference, and adore. Weatherized to endure all seasons, these solar lights are holding up well through both snow and rain. We couldn't be more delighted to see our sidewalk lit up at night, and I look forward to seeing the lights dance in the moonlight on our rock garden once our succulents revive in the spring. Never have we had outdoor path lights we've loved more.
It's a party outside tonight. Have a good time. The outside party. You know. Do 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 do.